Good morning DXN. This is our Rupali Vilaskar from Khandiraichi Sonechi Nagri Jejuri and I am a star diamond in DXN. My today's recipe is about mushroom uttappa or dosa. But before starting it, I would really like to thank DXN management and Sujish Nair sir who has given us an opportunity to participate in this Foodomania contest. So without wasting time, let's get started. My today's recipe is about mushroom dosa. So the ingredients for this recipe we need are, first of all, 1 bowl of rice, then half bowl of urad dal, then 2 chopped onions, then some coriander leaves. After that we need some oil and salt as per needed, and the last item, last but not the least, are mushroom powder, that is RGNGL tablets, capsules, sorry. Now we are going to make this amazing and strange recipe, that is I have named it as mushroom dosa or mushroom uttappa, and we need, main ingredient is RGNGL capsules, and the base of RGNGL, that is DXN products, is Ganoderma, that is this one. This is called Ganoderma. You can see here. It is a king of herbs. First of all, I have already told you about the ingredients, but for making this recipe, we have to soak this rice and dal for at least 5 to 6 hours. We have to ferment it for some time. That is, you can keep it as overnight also, so that it can become tasty. So let's wait for fermentation and soaking. Welcome back into my kitchen, and now I think 6 hours have already passed. So we have to grind rice and urad dal into mixie. So let's grind it. So we have to make such batter. Its consistency should be like this, or you can add some water if needed. Now I am going to add 2 RGs and 2 GL into this batter. Just have a look. And I have to mix it now. Its consistency should be very genuine. I should mix it like this. I have also added some salt in this, and I put griddle on on stove before 10 minutes only on very slow flame. First of all, I have to make the flame high and see whether the griddle is hot or not. Just sprinkle some water like this. Then spread some oil. Now I have to add some chopped onions on this. Some coriander leaves to decorate it. Now I will put one plate on this as a cover and wait for at least 2 minutes. I think 2 minutes are over. So I will check it first whether it is ready or not. Pour some oil once again so that it won't stick to griddle. Wow! You can see one dosa is ready. Now we will go for another dosa or uttappa. Just have a look. I am making it in circular shape, which is every time it's not easy. Wow. This one is quite big one. Now once again I have to add some chopped onion into this. Then some coriander leaves for decoration. Now I have to again cover it for 2 minutes. Now just have a look. It is also cooked. Sometimes I am scaring whether it will break or what. But no. Wow. This uttappa has become very beautiful, circular, and just like restaurant, because I have mixed DXN, RGN powder, that is mushroom powder in this. Normally children are not ready to consume this RGN. So what people can do, or what parents can do for them, that they can add RG or GL just in some dishes like this, in dosa, whether in dosa or omelette or any other food item, because there are so many benefits. Now you can serve this mushroom dosa or mushroom uttappa with coconut chutney, which I have already made because we don't have that much time to show you. Or you can serve sauce with it, and children are also ready to consume it at any time. And DXN products or RG or GL that can reach into their stomach and they can become healthy. The DXN or mushroom powder has so many benefits. It is the king of herbs, so it helps to improve your immune system, then helps to reduce your cholesterol. It also helps to reduce the risk of cancer, then the risk of any heart disease.
It helps to reduce all the diseases related to kidneys, liver, lungs. So actually this mushroom powder
Powder is really a boon for our mankind. And if you really see, the person who is really, you can say the person who are really fortunate, they only get the DXN products. So I am really thankful for DXN management for giving me such a nice opportunity to take part in Foodomania contest. Thank you very much, and we will meet you again.